Hey guys, welcome to the next episode of What Do You Do? Today I'm at the Davis Police Department, where I'm going to be doing a ride along with Officer Devon Young. He's in his car out back, so we're going to go meet him over there now. Hey everyone, so I'm now here with Officer Young, who is with our Davis Police Department, and I think we all have a general idea what a police officer does, but Officer Young, can you talk a little bit more about maybe what day-to-day things you do?
Yeah, so I work in the patrol division and I respond to calls for service ranging from anything to a lost dog to fallen trees, car accidents, crimes against persons, and property crimes.
Nice. And what kind of shifts do you guys work as officers?
So in the city of Davis, we have 5 shifts. On the weekends, we have two 12-hour shifts. During the week, we have three 10-hour shifts.
Oh,
Those are our
wow.
day shift, swing shift, and night shift.
And we're in your car right now. This is like your designated police car?
Actually, no, we have a pool of vehicles at Davis
Okay.
PD. This is just the one I happened to pick out today. We all share vehicles.
Okay, cool. So we're going to head to the next scene and we'll ask Officer Young another question then. Hey, so we are now off of Lake. We just answered a call. And my next question for Officer Young now is, how long have you worked for the city of Davis?
I've worked for the city a total of 4 years. 1 year as a civilian employee, and then 3 years as an officer.
Nice. And how do you like it so far?
It's great. I really do enjoy working here.
Awesome. Okay, pop quiz time.
Uh-oh.
How many calls for service or calls came into dispatch in last year?
In 2024, dispatch received over 44,000 calls.
Oh, wow. So divided by 365 days a year, that's like 100 something. I'm really bad with math.
Not my strong suit either, but
Yeah.
many, many calls.
What else can you talk about, like for your job or for your police department?
Yeah. So at any given time in the city, there's typically 4 officers working, 1 corporal, and a sergeant for each shift. That's when we're fully staffed. So, if we get a call where we might need 2 officers present, and then another call where we've got another 2 officers needed, that's the entire force is out on 2 calls for service.
Oh,
So
wow.
really just
Wow.
depends what calls we're responding to and who's available at the time, how long a person may wait for help.
Wow. Interesting. I know I've called the police a few times. I live in Davis. So the service has always normally been really, really great. And the work, I think that police officers and our public safety personnel, right, everybody that works in the department does such an amazing, amazing job. So kind of a random question. If you were to stop and get coffee somewhere, is there a place that you would prefer to get coffee at?
Not a huge coffee drinker. I stick
Oh,
with tea, but
okay. How about tea then? I don't know.
tea, typically a Starbucks,
Okay.
just to keep it simple.
How about boba tea?
Boba tea, my favorite is going to be Tebow down by the South Safeway.
Okay,
Just mostly because they're open late.
that's a good one. I love my boba. So it's good to know that you drink boba too.
I do.
Very cool. All right, we may hit one more place, guys. We'll see you guys soon. So we made it back to Davis PD, and this is my final question for Officer Young. What is your favorite thing about Davis, or do you have a favorite thing about Davis?
I think my favorite thing is the community. Definitely, it's a very unique place, but I really love getting out there in the community events. We do movies in the park. We do our big ones like 4th of July, Celebrate Davis. Really getting involved and getting to know the people that live here, because, like I said, they're a fun and unique group.
Oh, well, thank you so much.
Yep.
I hope you guys enjoyed my ride along with Officer Young today, and thank you, Devon, for all your great work. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.